त्रिपुरान्तकाय कालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। ॐ योपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशवान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपां पुष्पं पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशवान् भवति राजाधिराजाय प्रसह्य साहिने वीरोक्तमन्त्रैः पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि। यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि तानि विनश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणपदे पदे। अहं पापकर्माहं पापात्मा पापसम्भवा त्राहि मां कृपयामि अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन
ಪ್ರದಕ್ಷಿಣ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಾನ್ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ. ದೇವತಾಭ್ಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವೇದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶತಮಾನಂ ಭವತಿ ಶತಾಯು ಪುರುಷಃ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 100 ವರ್ಷ ಬಾಳಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಆಯಸ್ಸು 120 ವರ್ಷ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿ. ನಾವು ಏನು ದಶೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದಶೆನೇ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಆ ದಶಾಭುಕ್ತಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ದಶೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನವಗ್ರಹಗಳ ದಶೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮುಗಿಯೋಟಿಗೆ 120 ವರ್ಷ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ 60 ವರ್ಷ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಈ 60 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರತಿ 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ 60 ವರ್ಷ ತುಂಬಿರುವಂತಹ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ದೇವತೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಈ 60ಕ್ಕಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು 70ಕ್ಕಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ದೇವತೆ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ರುದ್ರನೇ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ರುದ್ರನನ್ನು ಆರಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 60 ವರ್ಷದವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹ ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಂತರ 60ರ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೈಕಾಲು ನೋವು ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮಂಡಿ ನೋವು ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಾಗಬಾರದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಶಿವನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಈ 60ರ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾನಪ್ರಸ್ಥಾಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ವಾನಪ್ರಸ್ಥಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ 60ರ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ದೇವರ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ವಾಲ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 60 ವರ್ಷದವರೆಗೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಹುಡುಕುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಸಾರ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಸ್ಸು 60 ವರ್ಷದವರೆಗೂ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ದೇವರನ್ನ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 60ರ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಆ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಸದಾ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಋಷಿಮುನಿಗಳು ಈ ತರದೊಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ತಂದಿಟ್ಟಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು 60ನೇ ವರ್ಷ 70ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ 60ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ 70ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭವಿಸತಕ್ಕಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ದುಷ್ಟಾರಿಷ್ಟಗಳು ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರೋತ್ತರವಾದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ವಂಶಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಶಿವನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವನು ಲಯಕಾರಕ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಲಯ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಜೀವಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲಯ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ರುದ್ರೇಕಾದಶಿನಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ 60 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ದೋಷಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಯಶ್ಚಿತ್ತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ದೋಷಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಲಯ ಮಾಡು ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಲಯಕಾರಕ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಇರಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಶಿವನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನೆನೂ ಶಿವಾರಾಧನೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ದೇವತೆ ಶಿವನೇ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಶಿವನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೋಷಗಳಿದ್ರು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಕೆಟ್ಟದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಲಯವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಉತ್ತರೋತ್ತರವಾದಂತಹ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲಯ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡುವುದು. प्राप्ते प्रसादसिद्ध्यर्थे होमे विनियोगः
ॐ तत्सो देवेरभिष्टया आपो भवन्तु वीतये संयोरभिस्रवन्तु स्वाहा 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 प्रजापते तत्पदेतान्यो विश्वाजातानि परिता बभूव तत्कामास्ते ब्रह्मस्तन्नो अस्त्रवयज्ञस्यापतयोरधीनाय स्वाहा ॐ हिमन्यवप्रस्तरमाहिनीलाङ्गिरोगन्विदभिः संविधानः आत्मानन्दाष्टविशस्तावहन्वेदाराजनहविषो मालयस्व स्वाहा
अधिदेवता प्रदेवता यजमानस्य सहकुटुम्बस्य शनैश्चरघ्नेन शनैश्चर
60 years means
Silence, please.
we are worshipping the Lord time God. ಕಾಲವನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂಜೆ 60 years means so there are 60 years, there are 60 plus 12 that many months or 60 into 365 days. Every minute or every second is going to be worshipped here. So that is 60th Shanti. During this homam, the first is Ganesha homam, who is remover of all the obstacles. Already our main priest said, Vigna Karta. If you don't follow certain discipline, he is Vigna Karta. If you follow him, worship Ganesha, he is Vigna Harta. So we did Ganesha homam. Then the other one is there are nine planets. Navagrahas are there. Namas Suryaya, Somaya, Mangalaya, Budhaya cha, Guru Shukra, Shanibhyascha, Rahu and Ketu. They also we did the Navagraha homam. Then there are 8 directions. Indradi Ashtadikpalakas. Indra, Agni, Yama, Varuna, Vayu, Nirvati, Kubera, Ishana. So we did those homas also. Now we are coming to the main homas, which I said the time. All the 60, every year is called in different names. There are 60 samvatsaras, 60 years. Prabhava, Vibhava, Pramoduta, Prajotpati. Last one is Kshaya. So Dr. Vidyashankar and Mr. Sridharji born in this same year 60 years ago, which is Krodhi Nama Samvatsara. This year is called Krodhi. So they have gone through all those 60 Samvatsaras. Prabhava, Vibhava, Pramoduta, Prajotpati. Ellarigu all those 60 Samvatsaras will be offered prayers here. Amele, not only Samvatsaras, then we have 27 stars, nakshatras, Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini. Amele, we have months, Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ityadi, 12 months. Amele, Rashis are there. There are several yogas are there. Karana is there. So all these together made us 60 years. Every minute, 60 minutes, 1 hour, 24 hours, 1 day, 30 days, 1 month. And in the month also there is Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha. So 12 months, so 1 year. Like that we went through 60 years. So the time is very good for us. This family, Punnathpur family and Sridhar Smriti family is really blessed family. They are born in very cultured, Sushikshita Kutumba. all their brothers are got together here. 2 of them are in India. The first and last one is here. And not only brothers, even grandchildren also gathered here. One sister, along with one sister. So entire family is here. Blessed family, and Vidyashankar is having his 60th birthday with this grandchild, which is a really blessed moment. 60 years ಗೆ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗನ್ನ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಶೇಷ. So I can talk about this family for hours. So on the whole, it's very really blessed family.
My brother came from Australia.
Many people came from India, Australia, and Canada. So this is not just US gathering; it's international gathering here, and we are in the most sacred place in the US. And this place is really so many yagas, so many yajnas, so many sacred rituals taken place here.
International.
Thank you. Biggest family gathering. Wow, super. 6 months ago, that Mr. Ravi Shankar's son's wedding was there in Mysore. So last time they have gathered over there. This is the first time I think everybody is together in Stoutsburg.
Yes.
Very good. So
There are also some people who have not met for 50 years.
beautiful.
95-year-old area. It's all about time. They haven't. There are some people who have not met in 50 years who have come. Okay, my classmate there, Richard Wheeler, they have not seen. He had been to Konatpur and Hassan long time back, almost nearly 50 years.
76.
Very nice.
So many people. This is amazing. And this is indeed one of the holiest places. I mean, it is the first holiest place.
And there are devotees of Sringeri Shankaracharya Matham from the generations, and having this event in the Sringeri Matham is really very blessings, very auspicious. So if time permits, we can talk little more later. So we'll start the Homa again.
It's all about time.
Time. So again, very blessed family. The 60 years went through really amazing. Coming Hasana, the Konarpur is way far from here. Coming all the way from even Bangalore itself, foreign country those days. So they came into Bangalore. They came here, and when they came here, they just didn't come themselves. They brought their religion. They brought their gods. They brought your customs, everything, and they are following here. So every custom, maybe sometimes it's better than back in India.
Yes, sometimes yes.
So Dr. Vidyashankar and Dr. Kumarji, you brought us all together here because of your intense Shraddha Bhakti with the Sringeri Matham. We all able to got together here. So three functions going together. Dr. Kumar's 70th birthday, Dr. Vidyashankar and our Dr. Sridhar's 60th birthday. They don't look like though. But Vidyashankar has a grandchild. You also? You too? Not yet.
On the way.
Very good. Absolutely. Thank you all for again for coming. So let us enjoy the homam, enjoy the mantras. Kripah parashuramashcha saptaite chirajeevina swaha. Om ashvathama balirvyaso hanumamscha vibhishanah. Kripah parashuramashcha saptaite chirajeevina swaha. Om ashvathama balirvyaso hanumamscha vibhishanah. कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरजीविनः स्वाहा ॐ अश्वत्थामा बलिर्व्यासो हनूमांश्च विभीषणः कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरजीविनः स्वाहा ॐ अश्वत्थामा बलिर्व्यासो हनूमांश्च विभीषणः कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरजीविनः स्वाहा ॐ अश्वत्थामा बलिर्व्यासो हनूमांश्च विभीषणः कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरजीविनः स्वाहा ॐ अश्वत्थामा बलिर्व्यासो हनूमांश्च विभीषणः कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरजीविनः स्वाहा ॐ मार्कण्डेय महाभाग सप्तकल्पान्तजीविनः आयुरारोग्यमैश्वर्यम् देहि मे मुनिपुङ्गव स्वाहा ॐ मार्कण्डेय महाभाग सप्तकल्पान्तजीविनः आयुरारोग्यमैश्वर्यम् देहि मे मुनिपुङ्गव स्वाहा ॐ मार्कण्डेय महाभाग सप्तकल्पान्तजीविनः आयुरारोग्यमैश्वर्यम् देहि मे मुनिपुङ्गव ॐ मार्कण्डेय महाभाग सप्तकल्पान्तजीविनः आयुरारोग्यमैश्वर्यम् देहि मे मुनिपुङ्गव ॐ मार्कण्डेय नमः मार्कण्डेयभ्यो नमः प्रार्थयामि नमस्करोमि. These are 7 Chiranjeevis. They are always alive. They will never go away. यजते इमान् जनतागम् सङ्गृह्णानीते द्वादशारत्नेरशना भवति द्वादशमासाः संवत्सरः संवत्सरमेवावरुन्धे मौञ्जे भवति ऊर्ध्वै मुञ्जाः ऊर्जमेवावरुन्धे यत्रा नक्षत्रम् भवति यत्रम् वा एतत्कर्म यदश्वमेधः समृद्ध्यै दर्शयामि पवनसुतनाम महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवास सुमति के संगी कंचन वर्ण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केश
करुणी सम्मा श्रुति गतिಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ सप्त स्वर संपूजिते करुणी सम्मा श्रुति गतिಗಳ ಮಾತೆ कमनीय सप्त स्वर संपूजिते सामगान कला विनोदिनी कामितदायिनी कल्याणी जननी शृंगपुराधीश्वरी
शधर परम पवित्र मूषिक वाहन मुनिजन प्रेमा पाशांकुशधर
ಮನೋಜನ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗೆ ವಂದದಿ ಅಂತಾಯಿಯ ಪೊರೆವನೆಂದರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಸಾದನು ನಗುವನು
परमं पवित्रं प्रजापतेः यत्सहजं पुरस्तात् आयुष्यम् अग्र्यं प्रतिमुञ्च शुभ्रं यज्ञोपवीतं बलमस्तु तेजः ॐ सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं दैवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपते तेन्द्रयोगं स्मरामि सुमुहूर्तमस्तु सुप्रतिष्ठितमस्तु सुमुहूर्तमस्तु सुप्रतिष्ठितमस्तु Still you look newly wedded couple. Vidya Shankar. Still you look newly wedded couple. वंशाभिवृद्धिरस्तु वंशाभिवृद्धिरस्तु आयेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेण बुद्ध्यात्मना प्रकृतेस्तभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। ॐ तत्सत् कृष्णार्पणमस्तु ब्रह्मार्पणमस्तु। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं वधूरिवागं समेत पश्यत सौभाग्यमस्ते दत्त्वा याथास्तं विपरेतन भवति सदायुः पुरुषस्तवेन्द्रिय आयुष्येवेन्द्रिये प्रतिष्ठति उत्तरोत्तराभिवृद्धिरस्तु मंगलानि भवन्तु।
डॉक्टर विद्याशंकर सर कुमार
Mr. Sridharji, all of you, congratulations. Very, very well done. Beautifully done. Thank you all for coming, for your complete participation. Children, relatives, friends, thank you.
Thank you everybody for coming. Actually, you chose your time to be here, which is extremely important to us. This biggest family get together in the name of this Shanti celebrations took a lot of effort. I was closely listening to mantras. He said, Nyon Sahaya. I heard that. So it was not possible without mutual help from everybody. Family from India, Australia, Canada, West Coast, East Coast, every place, which is very important to us. And also, fine blessings of Sringeri Shankar Mutt. This is the Sringeri Shankar Mutt outside India, the first Sringeri Mutt here. This building, the old temple, has a lot of significance to us, as well as to Sri Venugopal Devdar. He has spent 15 years in the dark winter when there is no soul to keep this going. It's extremely important. About 8-9 years ago, we had the Janoi of Deepak, and that was the same gathering. In fact, we have the same photographer and the same videographer. We try to keep, we don't want to change, so we just try to keep the same here. She said, I have no other choice. So, our priest for our family in Sringeri, he is the international priest. This is Venugopal. He was affiliated with Sringeri, but now he is a freelance, but he always comes to our function. So, we'll start with Panadik. With patience, he has been very, very good about answering all questions and clarifications, which lasted for 45 minutes to an hour and took 3 more times to clarify. He did not lose any patience. It's very important. So, Veda Brahma Shri Padmanabhanade. Thank you very much. So next is our okay. This is Mr. Sharavana Bhatt. He is like yeah. If there is anything you see which has been to perfection with everything, that is Mr. Sharavana Bhatt. In fact, yesterday to now, he gets up at 4 o'clock. He gets everything ready, and he doesn't take any credit for it, and we must give full credit to Sri Sharavana Bhatt Sringeri. If anything needs to be done, in fact, he came for Karthik's and Veena's wedding. Anything you need, it will be perfectly done, arranged.
Same Jodinaya.
Yes.
Karthik wedding.
Yes.
Same priest.
Same priest. Now we go to the same. We keep the story the same, right? You want to keep the story the same? Sridhara confirmed that. She said you have no choice. So the last one, but the most important one for us, going back to many years and decades, Sri Venugopal Devgar. He has been instrumental in coming to all our family occasions. When we say we have it, he will put aside every work and comes to us. Thank you very much. So next is a quick photo session coordinated by Suchita and Anjali. After that, everybody can who wants to wish and then join for lunch. Thank you for your patience. Thank you.